And I know for a fact you hit a Cup rookie patch auto. I'm trying to remember the goalie. I'm trying to remember his name. It's the weird name, like Vasilevsky, maybe something like that. But I know you hit a Cup RPA for sure. Mark, appreciate it, man. Congrats on getting the brace off. All right, Blues, Mike. Here we go. Let's see. So far, hit of the case, the Hasek Osgood duel. Let's see, final box, see if we can best that. I think we can. Pretty confident. Pretty confident. All right. You got I think a brilliance. He's like, no, not a brilliance. All right, let's just roll straight through it. Good luck, sir. First up, Mr. Taylor Hall, number 249. Next, Michael Bournival, rookie patch auto to 249. Not him. No. He psyched us out. Oh, come on, you stupid thing. It does not like that card. Next, one of the greatest Americans ever play the game, Mike Modano, numbered 44 of 99. Signature patch auto. Mikey Mo. Next goes this way. Bill Barber, Brilliance. Bill Barber, Brilliance autograph. Then we'll go to the back. Hey, how about a 101? Dang, and auto. Josh Levo. Wasn't he like, he was a Panther? Now this one's Toronto. Josh Levo. 101. Autograph rookie masterpiece. And it's a pretty nice card coming next. There's some people in our community who are going to be drooling on this one. Multiple player collectors of this guy. Marty Brodeur, 16 of 35. Scripted swatches with a 3-color swatch and autograph. 16 of 35, Brodeur. There's going to be a lot of people wanting that. Some Modano patch auto and a Brodeur scripted swatches. That's pretty darn solid. There you have it, man.